Transmission line construction, the power industry, is on the brink of a major transformation with the integration of AI, particularly in power line maintenance. This could save millions and even revolutionize the way we maintain our electrical grids. So let's get into it. Traditional power line maintenance is not only time-consuming and expensive, but also risky. It involves a lot of manual labor and specialized equipment, and often requires workers to be in dangerous conditions. But now imagine if we could automate much of this process. Enter automated and enhanced inspection using AI-powered drones, UAVs. These drones are equipped with high-resolution cameras, thermal imagers, and lidar to collect vast amounts of data quickly and safely, even in areas that are difficult to access. This is a game changer because it allows for the inspection of power lines at a much higher scale and frequency, which leads to earlier defect detection and preventative maintenance. The data collected by these drones is then analyzed using computer vision and machine learning algorithms to automatically detect any defects in the power lines, such as cracked insulators, loose connections, corrosion, or hot spots. These algorithms can detect even the smallest anomalies that may not be visible to the naked eye, making the inspection process much more accurate and efficient. But the benefits don't stop there. By automating the inspection process, we can reduce the need for human inspectors to be in dangerous situations, reducing the risk of accidents and injuries. And with real-time data analysis, maintenance crews can be alerted to any issues immediately, allowing them to address the problems before they become major outages. This technology has already been successfully implemented in various industries with excellent results. In the oil and gas industry, for example, it has been used to inspect pipelines and detect defects that could lead to catastrophic damage. In the insurance and property maintenance sectors, it has been used to assess damages from storms and other disasters, providing a fast and accurate way to estimate repair costs and prioritize claims. So you might be wondering how we can make this technology even better. One way is by integrating it with predictive analytics. By analyzing historical data and real-time sensor information, we can develop models that predict when equipment is likely to fail, allowing for even more proactive and targeted maintenance efforts. Another exciting development is the use of unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, for power line patrol and inspection. Equipped with high-resolution cameras, thermal imagers, and lidar, these drones can cover vast distances quickly and safely, even in remote areas, providing a comprehensive view of the power lines and infrastructure. The data they collect can be analyzed using computer vision and machine learning algorithms to identify defects and anomalies that require attention. This not only enhances the accuracy and efficiency of inspections, but also reduces the risk to human inspectors. In conclusion, the combination of AI, drones, and predictive analytics is poised to revolutionize the way we maintain our power lines, making it safer, more efficient, and cost-effective. As technology continues to advance, we can expect even more innovative solutions to emerge, ensuring a brighter and more reliable future for our electrical grids. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.